Unyihu wa namba ya arigitani thibitari-ini cia muingi ni mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo magicokia na thutha sekta ya ugima wa mwiri, undu uyu ukigwetwo gukorwo gicungiriria muingi kwaga kwamukira motungata makinyaniru ma urigitani.
Afya yetu
kuringana na anyiti itemi matiganite hindi ya kigomano gia kwaririria mathina maria magumiire sekta ino ni hari bata thirikari ikorwo ikiyuria mahoro maria makoretwo kuo niguo gukinyaniria kioneki kigie utungata mugaciru wa urigiti.
Currently the density of doctors, nurses and clinical officers stand at 30.14 per 10,000 individuals, which is below the Sustainable Development Goals index threshold of 44.5.
Kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU kiuritie thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukorwo ikinina mutaratara wa kuheana wira na kandarathi na ithenya-ini riu makorwo makiandika arigitani wira wa gutura, makiuga njira ino igukorwo ikinina wagagu uria ukoretwo na amwe a arigitani gwakinya ni kweruhio gwa kandarathi ciao.
Most of these policies that we have been discussing now, most of the issues that affect health workers are known. So we want just to see that is there a rubber stamp declaration, budget, finance, and policies on their implementation, which is very key.
Once we have that, now is to look at the mechanisms of how we bridge the gap, both in staffing, in equipment, and any other requirement that could be there.
Ndeto igie wandikani wa ateithĩrĩria a arigitani matũra-inĩ nireganĩtwo nayo ni amwe a anyiti itemi aria maugite arigitani a gĩkĩro kĩa nathi aria matari mawĩra nĩo mangĩraheirwo mweke wa mbere wa gutungatĩra muingi kuona ni makinyanĩirie ikĩro ciothe iria irabatarania.
We have been training health workers for many years, and particularly the nursing workforce are trained. They have a very integrated training that actually includes that primary health care level. So the question we are asking, we need primary health care. We need community promotion of health services. Why are we not using the people who are already we've trained?
Mwena-ini wake minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakumicha augite thirikari iri mubango-ini wa guthinga mianya yothe iria ingihotomia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri, agiteterithia ati arigitani aria makoretwo guku bururi-ini kuma bururi wa Cuba matigukorwo makieruhirio kandarathi ciao na mweke wa mbere wa mawira ukuheo arigitani a guku bururi-ini.
It should not be just a lip service or just a talk or just a rhetoric. Because we've said it now and again that if we go wrong on health workforce, then we may not see the universal health care that we talk about every day.
You remember the government sent out some officers who went to Cuba to train. They are now back. We have been sending specialists for training. Most of them are now graduating. So we have been able to build a capacity which we shall continue also to build progressively.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.